being able to be an individual while, being an awesome software engineer, I think that has definitely helped, because when you are able to be authentic, then you are generally more motivated to go to work because you don't have to hide who you really are. Hello, my name is Shay Ayres. I am a senior software engineer here at DHI, and I work on the candidate search and profile team. So I started out a couple decades ago, and back then I was working on, I was actually working for Farm Credit. So I spent a bunch of time with various financial institutions, and then kind of moved into software consulting in different industries. And then from there, I kind of got more focused on actually working with people that were software companies. So like software as a service, platform as a service, that sort of thing. And now I'm here at DHI, where we're doing platform as a service. When I started my career as a young software engineer, I think the most challenging thing in terms of my humanity was that it tended to be a pure meritocracy. So it was all about how much you knew about the technologies you were working with to a very deep level, and how much code you could crank out and all of that. And I think while that stuff is still important, I think it's really important to understand that we're also working with human beings. And back then that wasn't really the case. It was just show up to work, produce awesome code, look like everybody else, and go home. Don't rock the boat, just put on your uniform and go to work. And I think now it's definitely about performance for sure. And the meritocracy concept is still in play, but I think you also have the ability to express yourself, to not have to put on your so-called uniform when you go to work, and to be authentic and not have to explain that to people. And I think that's really important, and one, motivating us all to come to work, and two, to do our jobs better because we're motivated to be there because we don't have to hide who we are. And I think not hiding who we are is honestly really important for better performance. I think creativity starts with authenticity. So I don't know how anybody can be creative without being authentic. And I think that's where the belonging is certainly important in the DEIB equation. You can be who you really are at work and then be able to use that creativity, because we're all creative about who we are and what we are. And I think that ability then feeds into your job. So it just makes you, it gives you the mentality to be a better innovator. Some of that, of course, is going to come from team culture, but I think as an individual, certainly it helps, I think. If I am being me at work, I am able to then demonstrate to others that that's okay. And then they will be more authentic, they'll be happier, and they'll also be more invested in the team as a whole because the team cares about them. It's not just them caring about the team. So there's a two-way relationship there, in my opinion, from a belonging perspective, and they feel included. And that's very important, I feel like, for any team, is to make sure that the people that you're leading and the people that your peers with feel included and feel like they belong and feel like we can all work together harmoniously.